I have been addicted to drugs and alcohol since I was 14 years old. I'm 40 years old now. I had a huge hole inside me, and the only thing that I found that would fill it was drugs and alcohol. I'd been in and out of prison for almost 20 years. Before I went to prison, I was physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually broken. Every way I was broken. I got put in a cell with the guy that was doing life. His name is Dan, and we'd talk, stay up late nights and talk all the time, and he'd tell me that God has a purpose for me, otherwise I wouldn't be here. You know, and after a while I started believing that. I'd go to church with them on Sundays in prison, and started attending AA meetings regularly every week, and knew that that's what I really wanted, was to be clean and sober. When I made that final decision and accepted Christ back into my heart, all the fear and pain and everything just went away. He just lifted the want of drugs and alcohol from me. Slowly but surely, God is fixing me. My life has just been nothing but good ever since I've gotten out. I see how God works in my life every day. Things just really started taking off for me. I just could not believe how God was working in my life. I started to come to Sunnybrook Church. I regularly attend Celebrate Recovery. I come to church here every Sunday. I don't ever miss, because I firmly believe that without my faith, I don't have anything. My will got me to some really scary, dark places. God's will brings me into the light. And I have a peace about me now because of that, because of the way that I see Him work in my life. And there's nothing greater than that feeling. It's a wonderful feeling.